topic is matter. Solid particle of metal in the solid solid state are very closely particle and are uniformly arranged. Example book, cup, chocolate, scissors.
Liquid. Particles of matter in the liquid state are not in orderly manner and are less packed. Example juice, perfume, water, and milk.
Gas. Particles of matter in the gas state are not in orderly manner and are spread out. Helium gas, carbon dioxide, nitrogen gas.
Changes in the state of matter. Melting solid to liquid. Boiling liquid to gas. Drying liquid to gas. Condensation gas to liquid. Freezing liquid to solid.
Water cycle. Evaporation. Water that evaporates from the surface of the earth, such as the soils, oceans, rivers, and lakes, becomes water vapor. Cloud formation, condensation, water vapor will cool and condense into fine water droplets that form clouds. When clouds rise further above the sky, cold air crosses the water droplets to combine into bigger clouds. The clouds then become heavy, and the water droplets in the clouds will fall back to the earth as rain.
Water cycle. Importance of water and rain. SDG to Zero Hunger. Water from rain helps grow enough foods so everyone can eat. SDG 11 Sustainable Cities. Catching rain helps to stop flood and keeps our towns raining smoothly. SDG 13 Climate Action Saving Water and Being Ready helps us daily with more storms or dry times. SDG 15 Life on land, healthy water and land work together to keep forests, animals and plants safe.
How to save water? Turn off the tap when you brush or teeth. Take short showers, not long ones. Wash fruits and veggies in a bowl, not under running water. Collect rainwater in a bucket to water plants later. Use a broom, not a hose, to clean outside.
Water cycle project.
Save the water. Save the earth.